What's going on, guys? We're back with another video. I finally got my Ktuner. I'm gonna go ahead and upload my tune that I got from Variable. I'm gonna go ahead and do some POV driving, and I can tell you what's the difference and how it feels. Let's get into it. I just kind of locked it right now, and then I'm gonna go ahead with the next process. Okay, so now I just basically registered and did my whole account info, and then did the whole update for the Ktuner. After this, I should be able to upload my file and then flash it onto the car. Okay, so I did upload the tune onto my Ktuner and then directly to my ECU. So now it should be working, and then after this we're probably gonna go on the POV drive. All right, guys, as you can see, we're in the POV angle now. After the last clip of it flashing, it was basically just installed. I did set it to 23 psi just to see how it will run. I did test drive it. It actually ran pretty good. It's a lot quicker. You could tell the difference of the way it is. But I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys on for a drive now and do a couple of pulls and show you guys how it looks now. But overall, it's good. There's no problems with it. It did take off my check engine light. I did get my rev match back, and then also the car does feel a lot quicker. All right, now let's go for a drive. This is just gonna be like a little short POV drive just to show you guys how it just is. I like the way it feels though, for sure. It feels a lot better. It feels like, even when I had my parts before the Ktuner, it felt like, to me, it felt like it was kind of like bloggy. But now, since I do have the map specifically for my parts, it feels a lot better. Let's go ahead and do a little pull. Yeah, that shit feels a lot better, bro. Guys are into wanting to tune your Civic, so definitely go check out Variable, especially since you basically get the tune bundle, and it's worth it for sure. That shit pulls. Okay, so I actually just set up the launch control and the settings right there, so we're gonna go ahead and try it and get a little clip of it for you guys. Let me put the window down a bit so you guys can hear. As you can see, it does get a little darker in the car because I am tinted all around, but especially with the nighttime, it just makes it really dark. But as long as you guys still enjoy it, that's what kind of matters. Bro, the car feels like it's running a lot better. If you guys thinking about getting it, I highly recommend it that you guys should. It's cool, especially if you guys gonna add more mods to your car or anything. You can always get a new map or dyno and have them put the map on the Ktuner. That's my goal. I'm gonna end up getting dyno once I put like the turbo and the rest of the parts I'm missing, and then the car is gonna be a whole different car, like a little rocket. I can't wait for that though, for sure. If you guys like this type of content, go ahead and like the video for me. That shows me you guys want to see more POV drives. I'll be willing to upload more and upload more content for you guys. I really appreciate the support you guys been giving me lately on my videos, and yeah, I just wanted to say thank you. All right, thank you guys for watching, and that's probably gonna be it for the video. Hope you guys enjoy. More content coming soon, and I'm out. Peace.